is a non-title match, but still a high-stakes affair for the champion's opponent tonight.
For the sake of pride alone, this is a must-win match on both sides. Neither man can take each other lightly.
I hope for their sake that neither of them will.
And he'll be squaring off against the champ. While he wears the title, sometimes I question his worthiness for that gold, Saxton. Tell me, why wouldn't he put the title on the line here tonight?
Well, I could think of a million reasons, Corey, but those don't matter. He's the champ, and he's allowed to decide what to do with his title.
Oh, what a kick! He's turning the tables. Okay, he's re-entering the ring.
Shoved into the ropes and attacking the lower back. Down on the neck with reckless abandon.
And pumps the shoulder up.
He isn't going to go away that easy.
Oh, my God, what an elbow. Uh-oh. Turning the tables there. Tearing down the leg now. Oh, he's got him by the leg.
With a DDT. Right to the leg.
Uh-oh.
Slingshot senton, yes. Took a massive risk, but it might have paid off. Enough already.
And the unabated offense continues.
Yeah, this can't be how he pictured this fight going.
Boom, a forearm smack. Forearm.
Quick strike to the lower back.
Looking for it. Submission move.
Oh, there it is. It's in.
The calf crusher. I'm going to tap out here, but it ain't going to matter.
You still do a lot of damage, though.
Ooh, that hurt. And he tosses him back in now. Climbing the turnbuckle now. They need to be aware of a countout right now.
From the top.
He paid for that one.
Oh, man, big time.
Cinching in a waist lock, but right hands.
Manages to fight out with a series of punches. Pulls their opponent in.
Belly to belly.
Oh, my goodness.
Ah, what a smash.
That is just insulting.
Sharp knee.
He turns it around.
Carefully placed stomp to the arm. Right to the knee.
Oh, man, that'll bend your arm. The springboard attack fails to land.
He just barely dodges.
Whatever you can do, I can do better. Counters on top of counters.
Submission move coming up. And gets to the ropes. That's going to force the break. From the middle rope. Oh, what a splash.
Talk about dismantling your opponent. He's positioning himself, closing in.
Uh-oh.
Slingshot senton.
That's finding any which way to topple the competition.
Hurling your own body like that is insane.
Carefully placed stomp to the arm.
And he's just having his way in this match.
Yeah, he's found an effective form of attack. What a counter.
Brief sign of adrenaline there for him.
Tossed back into the ring. Ooh, he may get the 3 count right here.
This is it.
He wins! He wins! Here is your winner, Sweet Heart. He definitely got the job done tonight.
This match is why his name is mentioned when superstars get asked about dream matches.
Just an unbelievable performance he had tonight, Corey.